for joining us on the home tour. If you or someone you know would be interested, give us a call today, and we look forward to seeing you on the next home tour.